Soft, juicy, and full of flavors. This mutton pepper fry just melts in your mouth. It is absolutely delicious and completely irresistible. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make it restaurant style. Watch till the end. I will also show you a beautiful flavored rice that perfectly pairs with this mutton pepper fry. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. To prepare fresh masala, I have all the ingredients ready. We need 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorn, also 2 red chilies and small cinnamon and cloves. Put this in a pan and dry roast it until you get nice aroma out of it. It looks perfect. Once it is completely cooled down, put it in a mixer jar and make a fine powder out of it. Wow, the aroma is so good. Nice and perfect. Let's go and cook the mutton. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm adding 1 kg of mutton here. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry the mutton very well until it releases all the moisture and the water gets evaporated. Add salt. I'm adding about 2 glasses of water. Pressure cook it for 5 to 6 whistles. Look at that, how nicely the mutton has got cooked. Let's separate the mutton stock from the mutton. We will be using this mutton stock to make pepper fry as well as flavored rice. Next, in a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 thinly sliced large onion. Fry it very well. Next, I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Few sliced green chilies. Next, I am adding our special masala powder which we had prepared earlier. Mix it. Next, add 1 large chopped tomato. Fry it until tomato turns soft and mushy. Add salt as per your taste. Remember, we have added salt while cooking mutton as well. Now I am adding about half a cup of mutton stock. The gravy has cooked very nicely. Now it's time to add mutton. Mix it very well. Let the masala get coated. Add about half a cup of mutton stock, few curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Give it a mix. We are almost done, but it's still not that restaurant style color, right? Here is the secret ingredient. Add about a tablespoon of soy sauce and see how it changes the entire look of the dish. Wow, look at that. Now it is perfect restaurant style. Let me quickly show you how to make a nice flavored rice using remaining mutton stock. Here I have kept the whole garam masala ready. Also, I have about a tablespoon of kasuri methi. To the pressure cooker, I am adding about a tablespoon of ghee, whole masala. Fry it until the masala releases nice aroma to the oil. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is homemade ginger garlic paste. 1 medium sliced onion. Few green chilies. I'm adding 1 cup of regular rice here. It's not basmati rice. Give it a mix. 1 glass of mutton stock. Cook rice in mutton stock for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 glass of water. Salt as per your taste. Squeeze in half a lemon. Close the lid and cook it for 2 whistles. See how quickly our yummy rice is ready. Let's serve this with mutton pepper fry. Just mouth-watering, right? Can't wait to enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.